this is how we Jai from Mass Communication. Now I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase anything from MercadoLibre. In case if you don't know what is MercadoLibre, if you ever travel to Latin countries such as Argentina, Brazil could be, Chile, Uruguay, Colombia or Venezuela, these countries, they have one system, something similar as Amazon or eBay called MercadoLibre, the multinational company. If you want to purchase cheaper product, you can use this service. Their service is very good. Delivery is super fast. We use one browser. In this case, you can use Google Chrome, or in Apple computer, you can use Safari. You have to go to page of MercadoLibre. Now we go mercadolibre.com.ar. This is Argentine MercadoLibre. You have to have one account with them. Here I have one account with them. So make one account with MercadoLibre. After that, you have to type what product you want to buy. So in searching place, I put one SSD of 240 gigabytes. I want to buy for one of my clients. So you see I have different options. It's the product you want to buy. Here you say comprar ahora, that means buy now in Spanish, okay? And you can also add in the cart. So in this case I want to buy now. You see llega gratis mañana, that means tomorrow it will arrive. And other places, because normally they're very fast delivery, and check the other information, all is written, the guarantee and other information. Here is smart check, devolución gratis, that means you can return free, comprar, other protection you have, Mercado Punto, they give you 55 points, 12 months of guarantee from the factory. I hit comprar ahora, that means buy now, purchase now. Hit this one. It's arrived tomorrow free. So all is fine, check the balance and all the value, hit continue after that. My card is connected with this account. I hit this one, connect your Visa card or credit card here. You can pay by other option, for example Mercado Credit, in efectivo, or other credit card you can add. After doing that, hit continue button here. You can buy in quotas, that means installments. Here you see the amount of installment. In this they will charge me something. It's not totally free. So I buy in one installment, that is 5,599. I hit continue button. I have to put my secure code of the card. All is fine, every information is written, no extra charges. I confirm the purchase is done. The product will arrive to this address. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then. Bye.